All the way over the laundry baskets. Boom! Pull the laundry baskets out more. Pull the laundry bags out more.
Ew.
You gotta hit the bottom under his tongue. Oh.
Ow!
He just fucked up your room.
Go! No! You get that?
He just fucking crashed right into me. Oh yeah, I got that. He just fucking demolished me. Stop it. So that's it. No more barking. You fucks! Come on, get ready. Get away from me, Bruno, you sick fuck. Jumping on me and shit. That's it. Let's go. We gotta get ready. Oh, whitey tighties. I'm going on Facebook. Get him, Bruno. Go get daddy.